Hi everyone. Welcome to our storytelling meeting. Let us see how you took the challenge of using the Hero's Journey platform to create a DIY video from our proposed theme. To put it in perspective, here is the theme.
Do you know what's essential for biodiversity? Cheese. But not any cheese. I am talking about those wonderful cheeses that represent permanent meadows.
Let's start.
In a serene mountain village nestled among rolling hills, a community of farmers and herders thrived for generations. They knew the secret to their vibrant livelihood lay in the permanent meadows that blanketed their landscape. These meadows were true sanctuaries of biodiversity and the source of cheeses renowned for their aroma and taste. But a looming threat cast a shadow over these vital meadows. Abandoned by some, attracted by industrial life, the land was left vulnerable. The community faced the stark reality that their beloved pastures were fading, along with the expertise of those who tended them. Amidst this concern, a young herder rallied her fellow farmers. Invoking the wisdom of their ancestors, she invited them to engage on a journey to save not just the meadows, but their own way of living, and the precious biodiversity they held.
Determined and united, the community embarked, with support from the Presidia project, on a journey to stabilize and protect the threatened meadows. They learned the delicate balance of managing the pastures without disrupting the natural harmony. No plows, no sow, no synthetic chemicals. Just the careful touch of experienced hands. As they worked, they witnessed the astonishing transformation. The resilient meadows revived its beauty, bursting with vibrant flora and teeming with diverse wildlife. Animals grazing freely, nurturing the land in return. Bees flying all around. And from these pastures, tastier and healthier cheeses emerged, rich in beneficial substances.
Buoyed by their success, the community understood the enormous difference in taste and nutritional quality between their cheeses and conventional counterparts. Fueled by their belief in the right to quality for all, in addition to narrative labels, they crafted a digital story, a testament to their journey and a call to action. Their rallying cry reached institutions far and wide. Their story became a breath of hope and inspiration, reminding the world that the care for these landscapes is more than a mere obligation. It is a cherished legacy worth preserving.
Well done. Congratulations.